Okay, welcome to the first course of setting up Midjourney and Discord. So this video is for those who have not already started their journey in setting everything up. I'm going to briefly walk through this. My screen will look a little different from you guys, mainly because I already have an account. But I will let you know that mainly the things that they're looking for is that you're a human, you're of age, and that you can verify your email address. Disclaimer, Midjourney is a paid subscription. So just keep that in mind. In order to generate images, you are going to need to sign up for a subscription. So the first page that you should go to is midjourney.com. You're going to come here and join the beta. Once you click on this, it's actually I already have Discord. It's actually going to ask you a couple of questions as far as verifying your birth date, and then it's going to take you to Discord. So let me pull up my Discord. I don't want to be in the browser, actually. Give me 1 second. Okay, I was actually able to get to a page that would look familiar for those who have not joined Midjourney. Here it says you've been invited to Midjourney. It will tell you who's online. It will tell you the members, and then it's going to ask for a display name. I'm going to just say tester for class. Class. And then we're going to hit continue. Like I said, it's going to want to know if you're a human. Of course, and then again, more verification. So let's click the doggy here. The doggy here is different. And then it's going to bring you to our wonderful platform. Here we're going to enter in our birth date. I'm just going to say May 5th. I don't know. They just want to make sure you're of age. And as of right now, this is very generic. This is the screen that you guys may see when you first start. This is an unclaimed account, of course. This is my tester one. And what it's asking is that you accept the terms of service here. If you click on it, it's going to take you to its site. And this is what the terms of service looks like. If you have time, you can read through this. I'm not going to read through this. It does have some legal stuff in here that may be of interest. And from my understanding, they do own the rights to the imagery created here. But you are allowed to use them for commercial purposes. So if you are going to be selling artwork or whatnot, you're able to do that. Okay. And I'm going to switch over to my account to show you how to get started with creating your own server. So give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back to my Discord, and mine is going to look a little different from you guys again. So I like to think of these as classrooms. You should have this little symbol with Midjourney over here after you get on the Discord. And this is where you can get a lot of information. Also inspiration. I look at these rooms quite often just to see what other people are creating. So if you just need some inspiration or you have some time to just go through each one of these rooms, I wouldn't go digging too deep because you can get lost in here. But these are on one server. That's the way I like to think of it. It's like a classroom that's everyone is just throwing in imagery. But what we want is to have our own server so that we can have all of our imagery in one place. So how do we go about that? You will come over here, hit the plus sign where it says add server. We're going to create my own for me and my friends. And we're going to rename this. I'm going to say tester for class. Okay. I'm going to hit create. So in order to start generating imagery in here using Midjourney, we're going to have to connect a bot. So we will go back over here to the Midjourney server, click on it, and we're going to go up here to show member lists. Click on that. Down here, Midjourney bot, we will click on that. We're going to click on add app. And then we're going to add to server. We're going to go down to our server. Tester for class is this one. Hit continue. It's going to give you some disclaimer information here. And then we're going to hit authorize. Yes, I am a human. And then it's going to ask, do we want to go back to our class? And the answer is yes. Okay. So the Midjourney bot has been added to our server. The great thing about having your own server is that your imagery do not get lost in those classrooms that I was talking about. Some of you guys may have had the subscription pop-up, information pop-up for you. And it probably sent you back to the Midjourney website. And here we go right here. So I'm just going to briefly take a look at that and we're going to talk about it. Let's see if it comes up. Okay, so here's the screen. So it has the yearly billing at $8. That's the cheapest plan, or you can do it monthly at $10. It just depends on how much work or how you're using this. When you get over to the $30 plan, which I'm on, you get 15 hours here. $60 will get you 30 hours. 120 will get you 60 hours. Did I say that? 60, 30, 120, 60. The cool thing about the Pro and the Mega plan is that it has stealth image generation, which means no one sees your images, from my understanding. So that library that we were in previously that showed everyone's work, I believe this upgrade means no one will actually sees it. So it's pretty cool. So I'm going to close out of this, and we're actually going to talk about Midjourney. Let me actually, while we're here, we're going to hit explore. So explore is kind of like an explorer page. Here imagery is produced and you can rate it. So I have not been able to rate every single day, but there are hours that are awarded that comes along with who has the top rated images. So just FYI. Also, when we create images, they will be stored in this My Images folder here. I don't have any images here because I'm creating this new. And once we start populating images, I will switch back over here and we can take a look at them. So far, you guys should have gotten your membership, signed up, and we can start creating images now. So we will actually go to our server, which is up here, and I don't want it there. So I'm going to hold and drag and move it on down to the bottom. So next class, we're going to talk about how to start creating our images and how we're going to be using the Midjourney bot.